So today I'm gonna be opening up Baby Molly when I was 3. So it's from Pop Mart. So let's do the collector's guide. So this is the collector's guide. I think I have one. Yeah, I have this one and this one. Room, I have this one and this one. These two. So hopefully I got the secret. I get a secret. Hopefully. But I don't think I like that. Hopefully. Please. I have a secret before, but I never got a secret like in camera. Oh my god. How do I open that? Ah, okay. I will do it. Oh my god. I will not see the card yet because it will show us what to do. I don't know. What did we get? We got this little cutie. We got I think we got this.
งั้นวันนั้นแม่ไปซื้อ
Wait.
ไอ้ไกด์มันพาไป
Wait, or not.
รู้เรื่องแล้วต้องซื้ออะไรแม่ที่ถามเธอแล้วแม่ก็รีบๆบอกว่า
It's this one.
สุดท้ายเพราะไกด์ก็บอกว่าเขาจะได้คุยแล้วจะได้แบบมีถุงหิ้วมาไม่เอาต้องเสียค่าถุงหิ้ว
Cute.
ก็เลยไม่รู้อะไร
It's
ทำไม
this one. Almost a secret, but it's okay. Let's open it up.
มาให้เขาอะ
And let's see
ใส่ได้
what.
คือ
Wait.
ไว้ไหน
Let's see what did we got. Ooh. Okay. Take these out, and isn't so cute? And it will do like this, right?
เอาสี
I think
ฟ้า
so.
เขาบอกเขาจะเอาสีชมพูอันนี้หมอมาให้ดู
Like this. Cute. And this is the little box. It's so little. Okay, so if you want the baby Molly when I was 3, you can get it at Pop Mart. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!